Yes, yes, and yes. This is your boy 24K the Great, and I'm back at y'all again with another episode of the Rlaarlo. Now, I told you guys I was going to keep y'all informed on what I was going to do to this Rlaarlo step by step, and this step here is dealing with the gearing situation. I had to find the right gears, my guys, that go on here. Well, you don't know how to do, you will not have to do a lot of modifications to get this Mod 1 gear to, if you wanted to change it to a Mod 1 or a 32 pitch, you won't have to go through a lot of shaving and everything to do that. So a partner of mine had texted me, sent me a message on my last video when I was doing the video of the Rlaarlo, talking about which gear I was going to use. Was I going to go with the plastic setup, or was I was going to go with another gear for its modifications for the spur gear? So I went on with a modification with the spur gear. I tried to use the Traxxas. It was too wide, and he put in a message that used the Saga custom gear. So I got a Saga custom gear, which this is a 36. I'm going with the 36 tooth, okay? You know, use what pinion you want to use. And what you'll have to do is you get that gear, put a little Loctite on it, and put it on. As you can see, the grub screw goes right there. I added me a sleeve to put on this shaft. I think it's about 1 to 2 millimeters long. To slide on the shaft to act like a spacer. And then you're gonna come with the motor mount. All right? I shaved a little bit off the motor mount so you can see, okay? And you put the motor mount on. You come with the motor mount with the bearing, put the bearing inside there now, okay? Slide the motor mount on, okay? You see you got the spacer in there, push the gear out a little bit, and then you come with the original spacer that comes with it. You put that spacer on, my guys. There you go. All right? Put that spacer on, and you line everything. Everything is lined up, gonna be flush. Now you're gonna put the cup on. All right? As you can see, it's gonna go with that grub screw right there. I already got the slot where you put the grub screw in right there. And you bolt everything down. Now everything is gonna be flush. You're gonna have no interference. Ain't nothing scrubbing or none of that. As you can see, my guys. That's how you're gonna do that. A lot of guys want to see how you do it. That's how you do that. And everything is gonna be smooth and flush. Ain't nothing gonna be wearing nothing out of anything. That's usually look Loctite, my guys. And there you have it. That's how you're gonna change your gear over on your Rlaarlo without having to do all those modifications, my guys. Like I said, it's up to you what size pinion that you want to use back here. I'm using a 36. But you can go all the way up, as you can see, you got a lot of room. You can go all the way up to like a 42, I think, probably about a 44 or 42. If I'm not mistaken, maybe a 40 or 42 is about the biggest you can go on here if you're using Mod 1. All right? Also, my guys, I'm going to go in these diffs and I'm going to add two. I'm going to do a 500K in the front, and I'm going to do 200K in the rear. That's how I'm going to do it on the Rlaarlo, my guys. All right? I got a new build that's coming up for you street eliminator guys. I don't want y'all to miss, but we gonna do this thing here up right now. I got in touch with Rlaarlo. I don't know if they're gonna send me a new chassis for a carbon fiber. If not, I'm just gonna, like I said, give me some carbon fiber trays made for the side, and that's how we're gonna wrap this thing up. And I am using a new body because this body Rlaarlo, like I said, it's not very aerodynamic to me. I just really want to keep it and save it for the future or whatever. I keep it as a chef queen or whatever. I just had that body right there. But I am planning on buying a new body, my guys. There you have it. My name is 24K the Great, and I am a car freak. Peace out.